At first glance, here's just another old bathroom. But what a difference a remodel can make. From outdated and worn to modern and refreshed. Join us as we take you on a journey from what it was to what it became. Before the transformation began, this was the bathroom we lived in every day. Aging finishes, outdated textures, and a layout that has seen better days. It served its purpose, but we knew it was time for a complete refresh and a new vision for this space. So here we have the demolition being started and everything being ripped out. We're starting fresh here, which marks the beginning of this transformation. And here we have Kofa live in action, working on the shower and the shower pan installation. And he is just one half of the team of the amazing contractors here at Tony Tile. And wait, there's Tony himself, prepping the floor with backer board for a tile floor installation here. So at this stage in the process, they have retextured the walls, prepped the floor in the shower for tile, as well as cut holes in the ceiling for a new exhaust fan and lighting. New plumbing, new drains, new copper, everything is fresh here, including rerouting some electrical for added lighting and a backlit mirror that we're going to be installing. Here we have some progression photos of the tile work in the shower. This is the vanity that we're having set in, a 60-inch vanity. Here's a little preview of the tile for the flooring that we chose. The medicine cabinet and the LED backlit mirror installed here. Tile work in the shower and floor continues and progresses day by day. And the shower is just about finished here. Everything is grouted. The only thing missing here is the shower door, of course, and there it is. So with the finishing touches being made and the fixtures being installed, we're just about done with this remodel here. And here we have arrived to the final day, the day of completion for this remodel. All right, the bathroom is finally finished. And he left us the plastic to take off the mirror. And after just a little over 3 short weeks, our bathroom is complete, and this transformation, which was once a dream, is now a reality thanks to the team at Tony Tile.